Good morning. It is race morning. It's gonna be my first half marathon of the year, so I want you guys to come and take a journey with me in some of my morning routine, and let's talk about this half. So I have taken me a nice little shower. After I get up, I always check the weather, especially on my long runs. It says it's gonna be 73 and pretty steady as far as temperature and wind throughout the day, but I always like to try to go outside and see what it feels like, if it's a t-shirt day, a singlet day, whatever. So it feels like a singlet day, so I guess that's what it's gonna be. Now the difference between these runs, this run and some of the others, is that I have gone on a fasted run. It means I don't eat anything in the morning. Most of the time I haven't, at least not recently. Where's the light? But what I am going to do is I have a banana muffin and an orange. That's my banana muffin. 2 oranges, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll probably just eat some peanut butter, a spoonful of peanut butter, while I drive to this race this morning. So that's gonna be what I'm gonna eat. So let's talk about race gear. This is what I'm wearing on today's race. Sometimes it's different other days. So let's see what I got. I got my Untappd toe socks, my lucky socks. I have my calf sleeves. Those are from Zensah. Love them. I'm an ambassador for Zensah, so check it out. I do have my billboards. Those aren't the ones that I normally have. I have one that says "We'll run for beer." Can't find those, shockingly. There goes my bib, my aftershocks, my run gum. This is gonna be the gel I'm gonna take. I probably only need just one, maybe two. This is my spring, my hat, my Gooder glasses. That's my tailwind singlet. I'm taking that, and I like my naked tailwind. I just like the simplicity of the flavor. My running beads. That's my Nathan water bottle. My phone case, and that's about it. All right, so it's a little bit after 6. Go ahead and head on to my race. My race is about half an hour away, so it's gonna be a nice little drive, nice little quiet drive. I'm gonna have some music blasting. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the mood. Y'all see me. I'm excited. First race of the year, even though it's April. I'm excited. Do great things. Big year, big things. All right, let's go. All right, so I got here about 6:45. Half marathon starts at 7:30. They just made an announcement saying that the half marathons can start at 7:30, which is all good. So normally my my prep, normally I'll have most of the stuff done, but since it's for the most part a low-key local race, right? I'm gonna start with my tailwind. I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. Like I said earlier, I'm doing the naked. I just like the simplicity of the flavor. So what I do is I'll go ahead and mix it up with in my water bottle, and I actually won't take a sip of it probably until around mile 1 or 2. And normally mile 2 is when I'll actually take a sip. Every 2 miles. I'll take a sip of it. So, which while I'm running with it, the good thing is I get to shake it up as it's. Oh, I think I just spilled some. Oh well. I get to shake it up as I'm running, and then afterwards, after I get everything mixed up, I'm gonna take one spring packet. I got 2 of them. I'm gonna take one probably at the top of the hour, about 7 o'clock, and then the next one I'm probably not gonna take until roughly around mile 6 or so. Depends on how I feel. I got my run gum. That'll be somewhere before and after. Now I take my gels with water. Always take my gels with water. Never take it with tailwind or anything else. That's what directions say. I just want to make sure I just get everything I need out of that gel. So that's what I do. So let's go ahead and make it the start line and chillax.
Big applause for our sponsors. We have a truckload of them today. So I'm gonna do my best to get through them. We got Frisco Running Company, Premier Foot and Ankle, DFW Action Shots. By the way, if you've never been to our Zero, they are free, and it's my wife actually, Kristen, taking the picture. So give a cheer out to Kristen. She might take a picture of you smile. There we go. All right, with that, we got.
Almost 11 and a half. I'm struggling about last 3 miles. Dropped off my pace group. That's all right. I'm gonna finish it strong enough. Let's go.
Ottawali, Auditormini. Did I skip 25? I'll come back to it. I'm sorry, I'll get it in a second. Male 35 to 39 in third place, Matt Barnes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And I apologize.
All right, so I am done with the race. It was a humid one, a little bit more humid than I expected. I think when I looked, it was like 90 degrees. I thought it was going to be 74 throughout the whole race, but it wasn't. That's all good. The goal was to do a sub 2. I did not do a sub 2. I did a 2:01. I actually ran with a pace group, as you can see, and that was the first time I ever ran with a pace group. They did go out a little fast for me. I was expecting kind of an even 9:09-ish. I think for the most part they were like at 8:40 something. I got to look at my watch and see what the splits were, and the reason was because there's uphills on the way back. We hit, a few downhills, and there was uphills on the way back, which is good. I did the no frills, which means I don't get an initial medal, but I got a friend of mine who works at the race company, so she's gonna try to get me one. But I did look at my time, 2:01 and some change, and then on top of that, I was third in my age group. This is the last year I'm gonna hit the 35-39 age group, so it was good to kind of go out with a bang. But that's it. I feel good. And the good thing is, you saw the video, there was chiropractors doing free recovery stretches. That felt good. My legs did tighten up a little bit. I did lose my pace group, but it all kind of evened out all in the long run, so it was good. So that was my first race of the year. My first race back was a half. I feel good. Then the training paid off. I'm glad about that. So I kind of wish I didn't kind of stop and slow down like mile 8.5, but it is what it is. So finish strong. That's it. Now I'm going to have me a beer or 2 or 3 and then enjoy some time with the family. So that's it. This is me. I'm Matt. I'm the beer runner. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends. And until next time, let's get it.